still are back-to-back champion. And great job for our game of the shooting. All the teams, participating teams, our fans club, the sponsors, the organizers, the committees, and everyone. Maybe we forget to mention. So thank you very much for a very entertaining finals of the championship game. It was a heartbreaking finals. Akala nila sa kanila na, pero sabi nila below ang bola. So it's a very hard-fought finals. So get ready for our awarding ceremony. Great job to the president of UNB, Coach Jonathan Coach, and to the head of UNB, si Ironman. Great job once again for a very successful season 2 of the Champions League. Are you ready? Are you ready, bro, Marlon? All right. So bola. Please sit aside the ball. Bola. Please, put aside. All right. So on to our third place winner. Third place winner is the Malaga. Where is Malaga? Calling the representative of Malaga. Malaga Bowlers. Please coming over, receive the trophy. Please do the honor. Go, come in. Congratulations, Malaga. Nobody expected them to be in the semifinals, but became the 4th best team in the tournament of the Champions League. Congratulations, Malaga.
Woo, Malaga!
Alright, congratulations.
Yeah. Let's go, Malaga!
Alright, congratulations! Our first best team of the tournament. And let me call on the 3rd best team of the tournament.
Nice!
You know, they gave them a really good fight in the semifinals. Leading all the way 16 points behind yung Bicasol, but Bicasol came back strong. So let me call on the Dublin Ireland. Come over. Ito yung ano natin, yung manager, ano ba ito? Coaching staff, assistant coach, and the treasurer of Bata Europa. Congratulations. Great job everyone for Dublin Ireland. And to all the players, congratulations. Great job. Congratulations, world.
Maybe it's Jed.
Close up, Miles. Close up. Go to the minor awards. So, the best in uniform of the tournament. Huwag po na kayo kumalis. Dublin Ireland, best in uniform. Dahil na kay Andy. Sino ba si Andy Galpo? Dating Star Magic na artista rin, kaya best in uniform ba sila?
Third place.
Alright, congratulations. The best in uniform. Saan kayo paggawa ng uniform at doon din kami paggawa? Ayaw na tayo sabihin, baka mahingi na kami yung discount ni Bro Ironman. Alright, congratulations to Dublin, Ireland. Alright. And
ano palahan?
let me go on the next awardee, the minor award. Alright, the Tapal King. So picture na, picture. And our next awardee is the Tapal King. Sino ba yung Tapal King? Yung naglalagay daw ng Burkasil. Yun yung Tapal King.
Tapal King?
Alright. And the Tapal King, unanimously decided by the committee. Let me call on Tomas Pangilinan. Paano ba sa mundo, Pangilinan? Congratulations, Tomas Malihon Samut Pangilinan. Congratulations to our best rebounder of the tournament. So he's very known for his rebound. Hindi masyadong athletic, but good timing, sealing his opponents. And exact timing, looking Mateo Alcaraz. And about there, congratulations. Mateo Alcaraz, great job, best rebounder of the tournament. Congratulations. This is one of my Batang player. And now next to our the 3-point king. Ilan ba yung namin na shot niya yung 3-point king natin? Dito sinabi Alright, so the best shooter, also known as the 3-point king of the Season 2 Champions League. Let me call on Mr. Jeff Lawin from
Hey, let's go! Let's go!
Sa semifinals and giving a scale of leads UMB. Muntika na lang yung UMB. Congratulations, Jeff. Great job. Well done. Keep shooting shots. Alright, next. So next, our 6th-month player. Grabe, 6 month? Wala, 7 month. 13th month. Alright, so 6-month player, all the way niya, hindi lang yung sa semifinals. It is all throughout the game, meaning off the bench, making an impact in the game, rebounds, points, reads. So let me call on the big man from UMB, Louis Paluis. He's the 6th man. He scores, rebound. So that score is 6-1. He impacts the game when his name is called. Alright, congratulations, Louis Paluis. This is one of the special award. Why? Because they may not win the championship, but it's like a championship for me. Alright, the most disciplined team of the tournament. Most disciplined, ibig sabihin, just play the game at the best, giving out 100% every game. So let me call on to the Malaga Boys.
Hey, let's go! Let's go, Malaga!
Congratulations.
Let's go!
Malaga Boys. It's like a championship award.
It is a champion.
Imagine, hindi madali yan. 15 years to 4 years, daming matitigas na ulo yan, lalo ng mga coaches. Tama yan. So congratulations.
Let's go!
Next. Picture na, picture.
Nice, guys. Congrats.
Now, let me call on most disciplined team. Finish. 6-man player. Finish. Rebound king. Tackle king. 3-point king. And let me call on the Rookie of the Year. Sino kaya Rookie of the Year? Ito, konti na lang Yung coach lang yung rookie ngayon So let me call on the rookie. Ilan lang sila yung mga rookies na player natin. Sa Ajax, they have already JC, Maygood, but they're not rookies, some of them. And sa UMB, meron, but they're not giving enough time. So the committee decided to give it to the player who spent most of the time and making impact to the game and making his presence felt every game. So let me call on the Rookie of the Year for the Season 2 Champions League, Jan Akutin.
Let's go!
He's 16 years old. He's just 16 years old.
Let's go, Jan!
Great job, Jan Akutin. Well deserved.
Nice, Jad.
Congrats, Dad.
Nice, Jad.
Congratulations,
Jad.
Jack.
Good job, Jad.
Alright, so punta naman tayo tapos na tayo sa third place.
Hey!
Third place. Best coach. Automatic na yan. Di si Leonard. Congratulations to winner, Coach Leonard. is also the best coach of the Kings of Europe. Hindi ko ibigay kay coach yung coach kasi lagi nagreklamo daw dito. Congratulations. Congratulations. He is also the current best coach of the Kings of Europe. So just to let everyone know, he's the best coach of the Kings of Europe and also in the Champions League.
Yeah, third place is up.
Alright, let's go to the second mythical fact. Second, so ibig sabihin, they're the best players of all the tournament. Ilan ba yung players natin? 8 teams. Lagay natin 12 players each team. So ultimately, around roughly 100 players. So this is one of the best players involved in the tournament. So let me call on the second mythical five. Let me call on Jeff Mulawin of Malaga Bulls.
Let's go, Jeff! Let's go, bro! Hakot ah! Mahakot!
Stay ka lang ha, stay lang yung second mythical five bro. Second mythical five. Next mythical five. Let me call on. This guy is very close to me sometimes. Alright, let me call on. Lagi ata itong uluin lang umaga. But still giving his best every game. Making his personal felt, making his shots, timely baskets. But the finals is not doing this way. But all throughout the tournament, he's making his personal friend. Let me call on Angelo Jimenez.
Yay!
Ito, technical ka kanina ha, kasi nagbabag ka. Kung ako yung commissioner belt, technical yun, automatic. Alright, congratulations Angelo Jimenez. Stay there, you stay there, you stay. Stay there, Angelo. Let me go on the mythical five. Okay. And next mythical five, let me go on. Ito, kahit short-handed sila, short-handed. Like he scores 100 plus points, rebounds, making the leadership of the game, mentorship, lahat. So let me call on the Cebuano Hard Club, Paul Martin Drugan. Wala dito, wala. Oh, nandun pala yung Hard Club natin. Tagapin mo muna, coach. Paul Martin Drugan. And next, award din natin. Grabe, he's making all every game. He's making scoring, steals, assists. Let me call on Chester Tapia. Chester Tapia, kapitan. Alright. So last second mythical five. Congratulations, Doc. Congratulations. Second mythical five. Our last second mythical five. A big man from UMP Madrid. Let me call on Mateo Alcaraz. Mateo Alcaraz. Alright, congratulations. Now let's go to our first mythical five. So meaning, the first mythical five natin, we only get that from the 4 semi-finals. Semi-finalists, dalawa sa champions, automatic yan, it should be. I don't know in some other leagues, but it should be the advantage of the champion. So let me call on. First, from Dublin, Tomas Pangilinan. The big guy. Congratulations, Tomas Pangilinan. Our next mythical team. Our first mythical team. Next. Let me call on from Malaga Bears. They also play in the semi-finals. Jan Akitin.
What?
Jan Akitin.
Jed! Mahakot na si Jed! Wow!
Our first mythical fight. Everyone is expecting this guy. He is always
That's it, go over there.
Europe,
Go over there.
making his name. Not just from Sweden, from anywhere. He's making his name. Let me call him the Air Palad, Dave! Air Palad! Hello, sir. Nagsawa na sa security niya kasi isang bahay na. Pagigay mo na. Alright. Our next first mythical fight. Ito, he was the MVP last year. And you see the final game. He's making timely baskets, defensive stops. No other than Mr. Liam Conchon. Alright, congratulations, Liam. Alright, congratulations, Liam. Smile naman, Liam. Our last mythical fight. This is the youngest. One of the youngest. And you see, when the game is on the line, he's never scared. In the brightest lights. Alright? You see, yung ano doon, yung pinaka-crucial na shot doon na miss. Pero he made every single shot. Alright, let me call on Joseph Koliamat, a 7-year-old Joseph Koliamat, who's our mythical fight. Alright, picture kayo, picture. Yung lahat ng first and second mythical fight. Congratulations.
Wow.
1, 2, sir. 1, 2,
Congrats!
Alright. I just want to double check if I forgot something.
That's it.
So first mythical fight, second mythical fight.
Oh, yeah, picture ka
This
dala.
is for now. The best second team.
Oh, yeah, lagyan.
Of the tournament. Let me call out. Hit up. Hits up. UAB Madrid.
Woo!
UAB. Hits up. The best second team of the week. So congratulations to UAB Madrid. A really great, exciting game. You were down almost 20, came back almost, but not quite. Sabi nga nila, muntik na. Muntik lang. Pero you're giving it all. That's the most important thing, you know. In every game, in everything you do, you always give your best. So that's the best thing. Kaya lang, kinapos lang, kinapos. Alright, once again, congratulations. UAB Madrid. Great fight, great game. Picture. Bakit dyan doon? Dito. Ang laki dito. Last three awards now. Yes. So this award comes to the best, one of the best players winning. Hindi lang yung isang game na you score 20, the next game you're done. So it should be every game, the points, how you run your team. So the best player or the conference MVP or the tournament MVP goes to sino? Goes to Mr. Dave Palad. Dave Palad, our tournament MVP. Congratulations, Mr. Dave Palad. Subscribe na, subscribe. Anong channel mo lang? Bibi! Bakit ba lang ito? Congratulations. And our second last award. The finals MVP. I think it's wala na eh. It's no brainer. Sino? Finals MVP. Sino? It's Joseph Palema! Come on, young guy. He deserves it, right? He earns it. Making the shot, every single free throw, that's the most important thing. You know? Walang ka ba? Walang ka ba daw? Alright, one of the proud Cebuano. And now, sabi nga nila, kahit saan nang it comes to an end, but a good end. So, welcome, Mr. President. Are you ready, Mr. President? Once again, and before I forget anything else, we would like to thank the sponsors, bro. Sa natin yung mga sponsors, we would like to thank you. Ikaw na magsulat, ang sabi. So, sa lahat ng mga sponsors, sa lahat ng mga pumunta, sa lahat ng mga teams, maraming salamat po for making the season to very successful. Tapos, we would like also to shout out. We would like to shout out one of our good friends, who is giving this sponsor to our season 2. Saan ka na yan? May championship cup na ha? So, nag-iisa lang, si Bro Jello Para. Maraming salamat, Bro Jello. Baka naman, kami din. Tapos, si Bro Ramel naman sa mga trophies natin. Yung kaibigan natin sa Roma, Italy. Si Bro Jello from Parma, Italy. Maraming salamat, Bro. Sana, huwag kayo tuloy agad na Lord. Bigyan nyo rin kami ng sponsor. Ready na? Bro? Tournament. Lalo na sa mga committee natin, sa referees, sa lahat ng participating teams natin, maraming salamat po. Amore, maraming salamat po. Karon, the back-to-back champion, Mikisel United! Grabe! Wow! Anong sekreto mo bro? At maturuan mo kami ni Iron Man. Congratulations for another championship. Alonso.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
This is decoration, bro. You're wearing it out, yeah?
Congratulations to our back-to-back champion. Nag-iisang bro natin, Big Bro, Mikisel Mercado. Okay. Oh my bro, hindi ko narinig ngayon yung oh my God mo bro. Oh my God. Congratulations. Nice, ganda. God. Congratulations, Disco. Turuan na ko, coach.
Mike's United. 1, 2, and 1 more. Si Sir Mike's.
Right, once again, our back-to-back champion, Mikisel United. Huwag yung takman yung mga pugi dito sa lahat. Diba?
Okay, 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Alright, congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
Mythical 5, second set of mythical 5.